Check out this 2010 GMC Terrain. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are child safety locks, backup camera, engine immobilizer, power outlet, passenger airbag sensor, heated mirrors, privacy glass, trip computer, and passenger airbag. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.